Would you like to earn crypto that you can spend every single day? Well, it's easy. You simply need to use our products, review our products, and refer our products. A simple 3-step process. Use, review, refer. Hello, I'm Joe and I help people get involved in the crypto space in a safe, secure, legal way. The company I work with is partnered with some of the biggest names in crypto, like Binance and Bybit, and 2 of the largest payment processors in the world, Visa and Stripe. Combined with our system, we have created a powerhouse of income earning potential. So keep watching, because at the end I'm going to share with you how you can start earning an income that represents your true value. Before I continue, let's be clear, I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. I'm simply sharing my experience with an extraordinary company offering an extraordinary opportunity. Using our free training and support system, you can begin to build your daily income to a point where you could potentially ditch the boss and start living life on your terms. Okay, so let's get to it. Now, the company that I've been working with has been around now for 2 years, and I've been with the company right from the very beginning. And I can tell you that this is the most forward-looking company in the crypto space. We are creating products that are actually bringing change into not just the crypto space, but into the finance sector. And because of this business, I was able to go part-time to look after my mother when she was very ill. And although initially she wasn't ill enough that I had to give up my job, I had to drop my hours down pretty drastically. But because of this business, I was able to top up my income very easily. Now, sadly, she's not with us anymore. But because of this business, because of this simple system, I've been able to maintain part-time work and not have to go back to full-time work. And in the last 2 years, we have built a community of over 100,000 people, and everybody is so excited for the future. So let me tell you why we're all so excited. I joined the crypto space in 2020. I'm sure you all remember what happened in 2020. And over the following couple of years, I stumbled from one scam to another, hoping to find something that would excite me, that would help me achieve the financial goal that I always really wanted. Sadly, in the crypto space, there are so many projects that pop up out of nowhere, promise you the world, and deliver nothing. And sometimes I made a bit of money, but in the end, I really lost a fair amount of money. But you know what? I wouldn't change that journey one single bit. Whilst in those moments, it was painful to feel foolish. It was painful to know that somebody had managed to trick me. Somebody had managed to take advantage of my naive nature in the crypto space. But if I was to change any part of that journey, then I probably wouldn't be part of this company. Because now I know I'm home. Now I know I'm in a safe place. Now I know I'm in a place that I can trust. In just 2 years, this company has managed to create an ecosystem of products that are licensed and regulated, and that you can earn individual benefit from every day. Now, these products are predominantly about building future wealth in the crypto space. Long-term wealth that you can leave to your children and your children's children. And at the same time, our use, review, and refer system enables you to earn daily income that you can withdraw and spend anywhere in the world. One of our products enables you to be an active trader on a day-to-day basis, if that's the kind of thing you enjoy. One of our other products connects you with high-frequency traders that specialize in AI trading. So they do all the work for you. You simply collect the profits. And that platform works on a profit-sharing system. So they don't get paid unless you get paid. And one of our most exciting products is our crypto card, where we're partnered with Visa and Stripe. Now, this is the first card in the world that provides you with a self-custody wallet for your crypto, so you hold the keys and you're always in control. And coming this year, every card user will have their own private bank account. We are bringing into the finance world DO banking. And this is a new era of banking, on-chain banking. Remember, this isn't financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my experience with an incredible company. So if you've been looking for a new way to earn an extra income, or even a full-time income, then I can promise you that this is the safest place in crypto. Now, I'm sure that you will see many opportunities promoted here on TikTok, but if you'll notice, they're almost all faceless videos. They make promises that they can't back up, and actually they're run by bots. But I'm here right in front of you, showing my face, giving you a real world review. And at the end, I'll even give you some websites that you can go and look at so you can find out more about this incredible company. Now, I am looking for serious people with a goal, people with a vision of how they want their future to look. This is a company that fulfills its promises, that executes on its own vision to create a safe place for everybody. But ultimately, it is a business, and it takes work, commitment, and effort. Your income will be directly related to how much effort you put in. But with our system, you will actually be able to earn what you're worth. So if you're a tire kicker, or you're looking for some kind of get-rich-quick scheme, then this isn't for you. But if you have a driven need to succeed, if you enjoy helping other people and seeing other people succeed, then this definitely is the video for you. So if you want to know more, all you've got to do is like, follow and share this video so that we can get it to other people who have a vision. And ask me for more information in the comments. We can arrange a call and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Now, don't go anywhere just yet. Keep watching, and I'm going to give you a list of websites where you can go and read about our individual products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.